Fort Worth, Texas is home to a variety of window installation services, offering top-notch window solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows Fort Worth or custom windows Fort Worth, the local window experts are ready to assist with all your window needs. From replacement windows Fort Worth to window installation Fort Worth, the options are endless. Energy-efficient replacement windows Fort Worth are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Fort Worth window contractors specialize in installing these energy-efficient solutions, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Vinyl replacement windows Fort Worth are another excellent option for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Known for their resistance to weathering and ease of cleaning, vinyl windows are a favorite among Fort Worth residents. The window frames Fort Worth experts provide a wide range of vinyl window styles Fort Worth to match any home design. Double-hung windows Fort Worth offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to operate and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for many Fort Worth homes. The window design Fort Worth specialists can help you select the perfect double-hung windows to complement your home's architecture. For those in need of replacement windows Fort Worth, local window services Fort Worth offer quick and efficient solutions. Whether it's a cracked window glass Fort Worth or a malfunctioning window frame Fort Worth, the window replacement experts are equipped to handle any issue. Regular window maintenance Fort Worth can also help prevent future problems and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows Fort Worth provide a unique opportunity to personalize your home. With a variety of window materials Fort Worth and window options Fort Worth available, you can create a one-of-a-kind look that reflects your personal style. The window consultation Fort Worth services can guide you through the process, ensuring your custom windows meet your specific needs. Replacement windows Fort Worth is a significant investment that can greatly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. The Window Estimates Fort Worth and Window Quotes Fort Worth services provide transparent pricing, helping you make informed decisions. Trust the window contractors Fort Worth to deliver high-quality replacement windows Fort Worth that exceed your expectations. Residential windows Fort Worth and commercial windows Fort Worth require different approaches, and the window experts Fort Worth are well-versed in both. Whether you're upgrading home windows Fort Worth or outfitting a new commercial space, the window services Fort Worth offer tailored solutions to meet your requirements. Window styles Fort Worth vary widely, from traditional to contemporary designs. The window design Fort Worth professionals can help you explore the latest trends and find the perfect style for your property. With so many window options Fort Worth available, you're sure to find the ideal match for your aesthetic preferences.